Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. Summer's here. I love the barbecue. I also love the oven, so I decided to make up these onion bacon bombs. And believe me, they really hit the target on the palate. Let me show you how to make these. You're going to love them. Great for dinner parties, anything else. So let's get started. Okay, to kick things off here, what I've got is 450 grams, and that's about a pound, I would say. So I'm going to slip these into a bowl, followed by an egg, about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I just love that word. I just kind of eyeball this because I do it so much, but you know, you can measure it out if you like. It'll all come out nicely. A couple of tablespoons of one of my all-time favorites, ketchup. A few drops of Tabasco sauce, just for that wonderful heat. I'd say about half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to add a little more, a little less, depending on your liking. Of course, the all-time staple, some salt. And my favorite, ground black pepper. I just love it, so I'm going to add quite a bit of it. And I'm just going to go ahead and take my hands and mix this until it's well combined. Believe me guys, this smells so good. And I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside. Next up, to start our bombs, I've got these beautiful white onions, and I'm going to snip off both ends. Then I'm going to grab up my onion again and cut it just down about 3/4 of the way through. Then I'm going to grab up the onion and just kind of push it apart piece by piece. Okay, next up I'm going to grab some of that wonderful filling in my hands and make it into a ball. And put the filling inside the onion. And I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this up with the bacon. And what goes better than bacon with ground beef and onion? Yum! And we're going to put a toothpick through here and set it back in the baking rack. Okay guys, after our onion bacon bombs are all ready, I'm going to slip them into a 425 degree Celsius 190 Fahrenheit oven for about 45 minutes. After about 45 minutes, there you have it guys, our onion bacon bombs are done. Right on target, if you get what I mean. Don't they look incredible? So let's crack one of these open and we'll give it a taste test. So I'm going to dip this in some Old West hickory. Oh my goodness guys, these are so good. The ground beef with the spices, the onion on the outside, and then finally with that wonderful smoky wrapped bacon. The taste of the hickory just smothers it and covers it. You're gonna love it. You gotta make this for sure. Thanks for watching and see you next time.